Unsold showroom traffic. You listen to most people make unsold showroom traffic calls, and they dive right in to the old car deal. You don't want to dive right into the old car deal. It is a turn to yourself. If I told you, hey, I gotta go talk to my wife, that's why I'm not buying, and then you call me and you go, hey, did you have a chance to talk to your wife? I'm gonna be like, right? Don't force people to tell you things that aren't true. I've thought people loved me. I've called them the next day and they hated me. I've had the reverse. I've had people grind me on price for 3 hours. I've called them and they said they didn't like the call. You never ever know what's gonna happen. It's completely the opposite of the internet lead. Internet, keep the momentum alive. Bring up everything. Get into it. With this, start it fresh, start it clean. Just start with a thank you. Hey, have you had a chance to talk to your wife? Hey, is the price still too high? Hey, is the trade still too low? Did you buy a car yet? Don't start the deal like that. Start out with just a thank you. Turn your car and tell them thank you.